Hey guys, it's Angela from your class. So Mrs. Carlin and Mr. Walhall said I could do this, and I'm gonna be singing a song by Mariah Carey. All I Want for Christmas Is You, karaoke, which means you can't hear her, you can only hear me. I mean, you can hear the music the way it goes, but you can't hear her, you can only hear me because I'm not singing it. My twin JJ, she loves people. She's nice to people. She just didn't like singing in front of people. Am I right? Yeah, I think I'm right. She's my twin. I should know this. Darn me. Anyway, yes. So I have strep. Don't judge. I'm gonna remind you that at the end. Don't judge. If I skip a part and it sounds horrible, let me know. I will redo it again. Yeah. Here we go. Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. Yeah. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need, and I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus don't make me happy with the toy on Christmas Day. I just want to run on more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. You, baby. Oh, I ask for much this Christmas. I won't even wish for snow. I just wanna keep on waiting underneath the mistletoe. I won't make a list and I send the North Pole for Nick. I won't even stay away to hear this magic reindeer's click. 'Cause I just want you for tonight, holding on to me so tight. What more can I do? Baby, all I want for Christmas is you. You, baby. As the lights are shining so brightly everywhere, and the sounds of children's laughter fills in the air, and everyone is singing. I can hear those sleigh bells ringing. Santa, will you bring me the only one I need? I will, please, baby, me. Yeah. Oh, I don't want love for Christmas. This is all I'm asking for. I just wanna see my baby standing right outside my door. Oh, I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true, baby. All I want for Christmas is you. All I want for Christmas is you, baby. 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 Okay, guys. I don't know about you, but I think that sounded horrible. Ow, I just shocked myself. Anyway, excuse me. I have strep throat. My nose is stuffy. Anyway, I hope you guys liked it. Merry Christmas to all. And tell me what you think about it. And yeah, I guess that's it. Bye, guys. Love you, JJ. Love everybody, even though I don't know half of you. Bye, JJ.